Hello everyone, welcome to another study point. তা আজি আমি ক্লাছ 9 social scienceৰ geography part chapter 4 geography of Assam সেই চেপ্টাৰৰ question number 21 পৰা 28 লৈকে লৈ আনিছো। তা ভিডিওটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে ক'ব বিচাৰিছো তুমি চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা। The number 21, write in brief about the importance and characteristics of riverine vegetation. Riverine forest is a special type of forest generally seen in the wet peripheries of river and wetland. This type of forest is dominated by some tall tree and grasses. Important trees include chom, sobalu, uriam, moss, oak, and ajar. The riverine tracts are also very favorable for grasses and bushy vegetations like nal, khogari, tora, kopot, can, jow, and kohua. The importance of this vegetation is highlighted by the fact that Kaziranga, Dibru-Soikhowa, and Orang National Park as well as Pavitra Wildlife Sanctuary are located mainly in the riverine tracts. Number 22. State the location and land area of Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park is located in the district of Golaghat, Nagaon, and Sonitpur. Its land area is 858.98 square kilometer. Number 23. Write the name and location of the National Park of Assam. Number 1. Kaziranga National Park, located in Golaghat, Nagaon, and Sonitpur. 2. Manas National Park, located in Chirang and Boksa. 3. Orang National Park, located in Odalguri and Sonitpur. 4. Namari National Park, located in Sonitpur. 5. Dibru-Soikhowa National Park, located in Dibrugarh and Tinsukia. 6. Dhing-Patkai National Park, located in Dibrugarh and Tinsukia. 7. Raimona National Park, located in Kokrajhar district. 8. Sikna-Jalao National Park in the Chirang and Kokrajhar district. Question number 24. Write how the wildlife sanctuaries maintain the ecology balance. The wildlife sanctuaries and national park play a great role in conserving and maintaining the ecological balances. In Assam, there are 5 national parks and 18 wildlife sanctuaries covering a total area of 3592.94 square kilometer. Animals like deer, monkey, buffalo, wild elephant, tigers, rhino, etc. are found in this national park. The presence of grassland, tree, and wetland attract large number of domestic and foreign tourists. The sanctuaries protect the animal from poachers by prohibiting the killing and capturing and providing the animal safe environment to live. The natural vegetation of the region also get shaped and nurtured in this national park and sanctuaries, and the balance is maintained. Number 25. Write about the changes in administrative boundaries in Assam during the post-independent period. The spatial extent of the Assam has witnessed many changes with time. Assam was a large state during the British rule. Meghalaya, Nagaland, and Sylhet were part of Assam. During 1947, after the partition of the country, Sylhet was joined in East Pakistan, and 11 districts in Assam and Shillong became its capital. After some time, 3 new states were formed: Meghalaya in 1970, Nagaland in 1963, and Mizoram in 1971, getting separated from Assam. Dispur became the capital of Assam since 1973 till date. The geographical extent and spatial extent has been same. Write the name of the present districts of Assam and their headquarters. Districts are headquarters di ase. 1. Dhuburi, Dhuburi. 2nd. Kokrajhar, Kokrajhar. 3rd. Goalpara, Goalpara. 4. Bongaigaon, Bongaigaon. Chirang, Kajolgaon. 6. Borpeta, Borpeta. 7. Nolbari, Nolbari. 8. Baksa, Masalpur. Next, Kamrup, Amingaon. তাৰপিছতে কামৰূপ মেট্ৰ গুৱাহাটী, দৰং মংগলদৈ, ওদালগুৰি ওদালগুৰি, শোণিতপুৰ তেজপুৰ, লখিমপুৰ নৰ্থ লখিমপুৰ, ধেমাজি ধেমাজি, নগাঁও নগাঁও, মৰিগাঁও মৰিগাঁও, গোলাঘাট গোলাঘাট, যোৰহাট যোৰহাট, শিৱসাগৰ শিৱসাগৰ, ডিব্ৰুগড় ডিব্ৰুগড়, তিনিচুকীয়া তিনিচুকীয়া, কাৰ্বি আংলং ডিফু, ডিমা হাছাও হাফলং, কৰিমগঞ্জ, কাছাৰ, শিলচৰ, হাইলাকান্দি, বিশ্বনাথ চাৰিআলি, চৰাইদেউ, সোণাৰী, হোজাই, শংকৰদেৱ নগৰ, মাজুলী, গড়মূৰ, সাউথ চালমা মানকাছাৰ, হাটশিঙিমাৰী, ৱেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলং, হামৰেং। Next, number 27. What is the land area of Assam? Where is the state capital located? Write the name of the largest and smallest district of Assam in respect of land. The land area of Assam is 78438 square kilometer. The capital city of Assam is Dispur in Kamrup Metro district. The smallest district is Kamrup Metro with total land area of 955 square kilometer. The largest district in Karbi Anglong with land of 10,434 square kilometer. Number 28. What is the population of Assam according to 2011 census? Write the name of the largest and smallest district of Assam in terms of population size. The population of Assam is around 31.16 million according to the 2011 census. The largest district in terms of population is Nagaon with 2823768 and Dima Hasao with 214102. Population is the smallest district. এইকেইটা কুৱেশ্যন আছিলে, বাকী কুৱেশ্যনছবোৰ নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত লৈ আনিম। ধন্যবাদ।